Hi everyone, if you're facing the problem of how to transfer files from OnePlus to Mac, you've gone to the right place. I'm Myky and you are on the Electronic Team channel. Also, there is a discount coupon from the company waiting for you at the end of the video, so make sure to watch till the end. Hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Let's start with the fact that all OnePlus phones run Android, and transferring files between Android devices and Macs is a common challenge for Apple users. To solve this issue, there are options from third-party developers. Personally, I use the MacDroid app to transfer files between my devices, and I tried to connect OnePlus to Mac using this app, and it worked perfectly. MacDroid generally supports OnePlus phones. At the same time, it expands this basic file transfer function on your MacBook, as it works via MTP, ADB, and Wi-Fi. By the way, the Wi-Fi option is fantastic, as I can transfer files just like on my iPhone using AirDrop, without connecting via a cable, and also open the smartphone folder and simply download the desired file. Let me show you how it works. Launch MacDroid and you'll see three connection options. Select Wi-Fi. Next, take your OnePlus, go to Settings and enable the developer options. It's located in the About Phone section. Go to Version, then tap on version number 7 times, and that's it. Navigate to the developer's options. You can use Search for this. Find and enable the USB Debugging option. On your Mac, click on the Android version button that matches the version on your phone. I am running Android 11 and higher, so I'll click the corresponding button. And here comes the interesting part. You have several options for connecting your smartphone. You can scan a QR code, use a special connection code, or connect manually by entering an IP address, port, and verification code, if needed. I'm using the QR code connection because it always works. In case you're having trouble with QR code option, I've described other connection options in this video. But let's get back to the connection. In the debugging mode, you need to enable the wireless debugging option and then choose Pair Device with QR code. Point your camera at the screen of your MacBook and scan the QR code to connect. That's it. Now, your OnePlus Transfer app is set up for file transfer between devices. Besides that, you can connect your Android smartphone using the classic method with a cable, as MacDroid supports wireless connection via ADB and MTP protocols along with wireless connection. I also like the fact that when using MacDroid, the devices are mounted to the system as an external drive rather than in a separate window. This makes it more convenient to transfer files and gives you access to all Finder features, such as search or editing documents directly on the drive. You also have no limit on the number of connected devices. For example, you can connect multiple phones from different manufacturers or even OnePlus phones to transfer files between them without any restrictions. This way you can easily back up your data when you buy a new phone. As for a discount coupon from the developers, you can find it in the video description. Follow the link and download MacDroid from the official website or App Store. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe to the channel, and see you next time.